Hi ladies, welcome to your Wednesday Zearn homework check. We are checking yesterday's homework, which was Tuesday, March 17th, and we went through lesson 9 together where we were looking at halves and fourths or quarters and how each part is bigger or smaller than the other. Number 1 asks us to label the shaded part of each picture as 1/2 of the shape or 1/4 of the shape, and it gives us 2 rectangles. We can see that one is split into fourths or quarters, and B is split into halves. And it asks us a few questions. Which picture has been cut into more equal parts? And that's really the important thing I'm looking for here, is that word more in the equal parts. What we're thinking about is, who can I feed more to? How many people can I serve? I can clearly serve 4 people with shape A, whereas shape B, though they may get a bigger piece, I can only serve 2. So I want to put that A has more equal parts. Then it asks which picture has a larger equal part. There's my keyword there. And I'm looking for which one, if I were getting a piece of this pizza or pie or cake, what would I want when I want a bigger piece? And B has these nice big pieces cut. So B has larger equal parts. The last one asks which picture has a smaller equal parts. And we know that B has larger, we just discussed this. And we can also see that this shaded area is much smaller than this shaded area. So we know that A has smaller equal parts. Number 2 says, write whether the shaded part of each shape is a half or a quarter. And these are the words that we're going to be writing on the line. You should always refer to the directions to see how to spell the words if you're having trouble. And it's important to take your time. So A, we can see, has 1, 2 equal parts. So we know that that's half. And it shows another rectangle with 2 squares that are equally shaped. So we know that's half as well. Remember that half has 2 and a quarter has 4. B, we can see that there are 4 triangles that make this square. So we're going to write quarter. We see 2 triangles that make a square here, so we know that it's half. C has some circles, and both circles are cut into fourths or quarters, so we're going to put quarter for both of those. Quarter, quarter, Q, U go together. And D, we can see that these are both diamonds or squares put on their side. One is split into 2 shapes, so we can see that that's half. And one is split into 4 shapes, so we know that that's fourths. And today we're really getting the practice of using in that word quarter. And that is it. That is your Tuesday Zearn homework check with me, Mrs. Notoriani. Thank you, ladies.